You are a chicken living free in a field next to a farm. Your best chicken friend in the world is with you. Lift your feet one at a time to get your balance, stretch your wings, and then follow your friend through the field to meet the other chickens in your flock.
Get those free chickens, too. We'll take them all to the slaughterhouse. Don't worry about grabbing and breaking their wings. Just shove them in the crates as fast as you can. Gotcha, chicken. It's off to slaughter for you. Okay, that's the last of these chickens. Drop them straight to the slaughterhouse.